Hello and welcome to my video on 10 things not to do on Facebook Marketplace when selling your ATV, dirt bike, or any other vehicle. Facebook Marketplace is a great resource for buying and selling. There are a ton of machines, cars, and other cool things. You can easily sell your items in a matter of minutes if you have a good listing, a good price, and something that's in demand. Here are some things to be sure not to do when listing your ATV, dirt bike, or anything else. Number 1. Review your ad before or immediately after it's listed. It's easy to make spelling mistakes in general, and especially when typing on a phone keyboard. But one wrong letter can change the ad completely or make you look like you don't quite grasp the English language. You can get someone else to look at it if you need to. Here are a few perfect real-life examples. Obviously, this person has a big bore kit, but you add the D to it, and it makes for a lazy, uninteresting bike. This is a heat pimp. Let's not even think about what that might do to your house. Here's what I'm assuming is a parts bike, but a rear part bike. I'm not sure if that's anatomical, but it doesn't really make sense. Number 2, don't say everything is perfect and then list major issues that need to be fixed first. It makes you sound dishonest and is going to make potential buyers wonder what is wrong with it that you're also not listing. I would not consider this Jeep to have absolutely nothing wrong with it when it won't even stay in first gear. That's important. Or that the only reason the TPMS light is on is because the tire is low with air. You can get air for $1.25 at most service stations, so either this person is lying or they have so little care for maintenance they won't even put air in the tire to make the light go out as they're trying to sell it. Makes you wonder if it ever had an oil change or any other required maintenance. Or this KTM that runs like a top with a clutch that doesn't work and has no back brakes. That's a rough running top. Sounds wobbly to me. Number 3, another favorite, the cheap fix. If you can fix your ATV with a $12 part from eBay, then order the part and fix it. Also another red flag, I'm pretty sure no Polaris in 1999 had fuel injection and a fuel pump. Number 4, when you list your machine, actually ask for something. Have a price. If you're trying to sell it, don't just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somewhere to start negotiations. Otherwise, it seems like you have fun making people guess. Or if you're only looking to trade, list something that you would trade for or something that you're actually interested in. Otherwise, I'm going to offer you a pencil for your running ATV because you didn't say what you wanted. Number 5, wash your machine before you list it. Please, rinse it with a water hose or stop by the spray car wash. I've never seen a machine I wanted to pay more money for because it was dirty. People are crows. We like shiny things. Clean it. It will be worth it. Number 6. On the flip side of this, don't take pictures of your vehicle immediately 1 minute after it was washed. I've been guilty of that myself. Dirt bikes and ATVs look great when they're still wet. Then I had several people come look at my machine and say that it looked a lot better in the pictures. The plastic is shiny and all of those scratches are completely invisible, but it's not really an honest listing, especially when people may drive several hours to look at or buy your machine. Clean it and then let it dry, then take pictures. Number 7, don't take creative pictures like being in the woods or doing hoon riding. I expect the machine to be able to go off-road, that's why I'm buying it. I don't need to see proof. And I don't need to see it doing a wheelie. That just makes me think you probably abused it. Just show clear, clean pictures from as many angles as possible. Number 8. This is nitpicking some, but don't put weird emojis on the picture. If you only have Instagram shots, walk out and take a few more pictures. They should be recent pictures anyway. Weird smiley face with heart eyes emojis do not make me more interested in a Suzuki RM250 motocross bike. Number 9. This may be my favorite. Taking pictures at night. I am completely at a loss on this one. I can't think of any time where someone would be in such a rush to sell their machine they have to photograph and list it at exactly 10 p.m. If you have to get it listed, you can put the ad up and add photos the next day. Or wait 12 hours until the sun rises again. No one wants to buy a machine based on a shadowy and mysterious outline. Number 10, just to make it an even number, pick a good picture as the display photo for the ad. You have the description for the details. So listing just text of details as your title shot will not help you sell anything. It will most likely make someone skip on to the next ad with the well-lit and clean machine you can actually see, and hopefully with more than exactly one picture. Walk around the thing with your phone. It won't cost extra. Those are 10 things not to do when listing on Facebook Marketplace. If you made it all the way through, thanks for watching, and let me know if there are things I missed.